6th day of riding, 8th day of the journey, and it is raining outside. See it, but here it is. And so we're going to wait a little bit until it eases off because it's meant to die down a little bit, and then we're going to go. We are off! So, you might notice that we're in the car. Don't worry, nothing bad has happened except for the fact that it's raining, cold, miserable. Hypothermia diet, no, but the reason we're in the car is because there's a section of the road, there's 1 to 2 k's of the road that's just totally like, it's just dangerous to ride on. Like, there's like narrow, it's raining, it's just not like, it's not worth the risk. So, like 1 to 2 k. Yeah, so we're getting our mum to drive us. But yeah, like we do feel pretty stink that we have to drive it, but like at the end of the day, safety is more important. And it's only 2k, so yeah, and it's terrible weather. Oh my goodness. So here it is. Also, the weather's really, really bad, so because we're recording everything on the just recording the video now, and I realised we didn't really explain what we did, but all that footage just then was we went to a museum and it was all recycled bike bits, so they made it into sculpture and stuff, so all that was like tyres or parts of bikes. So, oh, this is...
So pretty much, as you can see, all of the filming here, you can't understand what any of us are saying. The footage has been cut. But yeah, Rudy's really good at vlogging, obviously. Sorry about this video.
So we've just arrived at where we think we're staying, but we're actually unsure if we're staying here. I'm not sure, but Rudy seems to think she knows where we're going, so I guess that's where we're going. Quick update, this is where we are staying.
We can't quite remember what we said in here, but I'm sure it was important.
So I stopped recording because a person came past and I kind of just forgot to put up the camera, but what I was in the middle of saying is one thing I did notice about the day is because we're going on the state highway most of the day, there were lots of like crosses like to show where people had died, and it was like really extremely sad. There's a lot more in there than where we had been. Like you see a few a day, but like there was lots that day. So it kind of just like reminded us, you know, get out there, have fun, be active kind of thing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow, will we? Yes, we'll see you tomorrow. So, as you could probably tell, the footage got stuffed up again, like our first ever vlog. So, yeah, we had to end up filming it. We edited it all, and it was, like, really good. Then we couldn't upload it onto, onto our YouTube channel for some unknown reason, because I couldn't upload. And then, now some of the voiceover's gone bad, so sorry about that. So we're so sorry about this video, but hopefully tomorrow's will be better. Yeah. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.